Hi there, students. Standing. Okay, so you all know the verb to stand, to be on your feet. I've been standing all day. But we very often use standing as a noun, talking about the reputation, the status, the rank of somebody or something. So this is a neighbourhood of very low social standing, of low standing, of high standing. To be held in high standing, to have a high reputation or esteem. So notice with standing, you can say this is of high standing, or this has standing. So standing can either mean the position or of high position. Okay, so standing, the position. Very often in sports there is a league table or a table of ranks, and that is called the standings. So I think in Test cricket, India is top of the standings. Okay, so standing, somebody's position, how they are viewed. In YouTube, if you have no violations of their codes of conduct, then your account is in good standing. It is of good rank, of good reputation. Okay, so standing, the rank or reputation of something. Notice we can also use standing talking about continuing in time. So this is a long-standing relationship. This is a long-standing agreement. It has been continuing in time for a long period. And then we can also use standing, meaning permanent, to remain in force until changed. So you have a standing order or standing orders. A standing order in your bank account is when the person who wants the money asks for it, the bank pays it, or the bank pays it automatically. For a soldier, standing orders are the permanent orders until changed. Okay, this is a standing joke. It's been in force, or this joke has been around for a long time. Okay, notice we use this verb to stand. How does the situation stand? What is the position of the state of the situation? How does my bank account stand? I've got £3 in it. Okay, so notice stand we very often use for a situation. You've been paying for everything all day, so let's settle up. How do we stand? How much do I owe you? What is the financial situation between the two? And also traffic. The traffic was standing. It wasn't flowing. So if something is not flowing, you can say it's standing, but this is related to stand on your feet, to not move. Okay? So, standing, status, reputation, situation, standing in time, a long time relationship, remaining in force. The standings, the rankings in sport. I think at a bank, a credit rating is your standing. Yeah, he has good standing, so we'll lend him money. He's always paid back everything he has owed. Okay, so to stand. Yeah, now what about formality? I think this word standing is probably neutral, but I think it's a very flexible word, and I think you could use it from the most informal conversation to the most formal document. The standing of something. The situation stands like this. How do we stand? What's our situation? So maybe you go into a meeting with your boss and he says, how does your project stand? What's the situation with it? Okay, and then the standing, the rank or reputation. And then standing in time, permanent. Yeah? This building is still standing, so it's still on its feet. It hasn't collapsed, is the idea. So there you go, standing. Flexible word, status, reputation, continuing in time, a permanent situation, rankings in a league table, not moving, not flowing. Okay? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Standing.